shoes.
Dialogue 1.
Can I help you?
I'm looking for a pair of black shoes.
What size do you want?
Size 9.
I'm afraid we haven't got any black shoes in that size at the moment, but we have got brown ones.
That is fine too.
What about that pair over there?
Reasonable. Can I try them on?
Certainly, here is the shoe lifter.
Thank you. They seem a little bit tight.
Here is a larger size.
Dialogue 2.
What can I do for you, sir? I'd like some leather shoes.
Okay, what's your size?
I don't know American sizes.
No problem. Put your foot here. Let me see. Yes, you're a 6. Just a moment, please.
Here you are. These are very comfortable. Try these on.
Yes, they're very nice, but I want slip-ons.
How about these? They don't have laces. Try them.
Fine, I'll take these.
Duty-free goods.
Dialogue 1.
How do we go about purchasing things in this catalog?
You can order them here on the plane, or visit one of the duty-free shops in the airport when we land.
How much is this Remy Martin VSOP?
It's $45. It's our special offer today.
Okay, I'd like 5 bottles.
Sorry, there is a limit on some of the items. You are limited to purchase only 3 bottles of wine or liquor.
Well, let me have 3.
Dialogue 2.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
I'd like to get something duty-free here.
Okay, sir, would you please show me your passport and your air ticket?
Sure. Here you are. Do you know how much liquor I'm allowed to take away from America?
Up to 2 bottles per person.
Okay, I will take these 2.
You will receive our check for duty, exempted in about 2 months.
Can I take those items now?
Sorry, you can't. We will send them to the airport.
Reserving a table.
Dialogue 1.
Good morning, the Good Boy restaurant. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to reserve a table for dinner.
What time would you like your table served?
I'm not sure about 5 o'clock p.m.
Okay, how many in your party?
A party of 4.
Then I'll reserve a table for 4 at 5 p.m. Sir, may I have your name, please?
Yes, Wang Hong.
Thanks, goodbye.
Dialogue 2.
I'd like to make a reservation for tonight.
For how many people, please?
5 adults and 2 children.
For what time, please?
About 7:30 this evening.
How much do you want to spend?
About $20 per person. We'd like to sit together.
Okay, and may I have your name?
Yes, Jordan, and put us as close as possible to the window, please.
I would not be sure, but I'll try my best.
Taking a seat.
Dialogue 1.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to our restaurant. Have you made a reservation?
Yes, I have booked a table for 4. Here is the reservation list. My name is Dong.
We have chosen a window table for you. This way, please. Will this table be all right, sir?
Certainly, it's quite good. Thank you.
You are welcome, sir. This separate room has a very good view of the city.
This room is near the band platform. Is it going to be very noisy when the band plays some music?
Oh, don't worry, sir. The sound of the music is quite soft. Will not bring you any inconvenience. Could you stay and listen to it for a while? If you don't like it, I'll find another table for you. Is that okay?
That's great. You really give good service indeed.
Dialogue 2.
My name is Lisa. I made a reservation of table for 3.
Yes, madam. Would you like a table in the smoking or non-smoking section?
In the non-smoking section, please.
Come this way, please. Here we are.
Oh, it's a nice private room with a beautiful view. Thank you very much.
Have a good time.
Ordering food. Dialogue 1. Here's your menu.
Could you tell us about the special of the day?
We have coconut shrimp served with rice and a side salad. We also have prime rib, only $8 per person, including salad. Choice of potato or rice and a roll.
I think I'll just have your prime rib with rice.
Would you like appetizers or a salad to go with that?
Yes, I'll take salad.
Dialogue 2.
Would you like an appetizer to start with?
I'd like to try the egg salad.
That's good. And then,
I'm going to try oysters Florentine.
well, what about the entree?
What is this one? Dover sole Chablasienne.
That's sold with mushroom and small butter.
That sounds nice. I'll have that.
Okay. Hurrying the waiter to serve up.
Dialogue 1.
Here is the sole salad. Is it yours?
Yes, it's ours, and we have ordered another dish Italian style, fired bacon rolls.
It's coming.
We have an appointment at noon. Will you tell the cooks to hurry up?
Certainly.
Thank you very much.
Dialogue 2.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Our food seems to be taking a long time, doesn't it? We ordered half an hour ago. But our meal hasn't arrived yet. We have to leave pretty soon.
I'm sorry. I'll see what's happened.
Thank you.
Service during the meal.
Dialogue 1.
Do you enjoy the dish?
Yes, it's really good.
Would you like more?
Oh, yes, just more share.
Yes, I will get you right away.
By the way, please give me a glass of water.
Okay, I'll bring it right away. Anything else?
Can I have a doggy bag? I want to take the beef home.
Sure, I will wrap it up for you.
Dialogue 2.
It doesn't taste right to me. It's too weak. Could you get me some salt?
Sure, will that be all?
And we want to share this food. Could you bring some small plates?
Just a minute.
Here are your salt and to smell plates.
Thank you very much.
Always at your service. Please enjoy your meal. Having fast food.
Dialogue 1.
That looks good. I'll have a hamburger.
The works.
No, just lettuce and tomatoes.
Anything to drink.
A large Coke.
That'll be $1.60. Here's your number.
Should I wait at the counter or find a table to sit down?
Just wait here. It will be ready in 3 minutes.
Dialogue 2.
Hey guys, what'll it be?
I'd like a double cheeseburger, fries, and a shake.
And I'll have a fillet of fish. A chicken burger, larger tossed salad, onion rings, and a shake.
What flavors would you like for your shakes?
Strawberry.
Tropical fruit.
Altogether, that'll be $6.98.
Here's a 10.
Is that for here or to go?
For here.
Here's your change $3.02. Thank folks. Enjoy. Drinking in the bar.
Dialogue 1.
I'll have a bottle of the stronger one, please.
Certainly, air. Here you are.
And a large scotch, please.
On the rocks, sir?
No, thanks.
Anything else, sir?
Yes, something non-alcoholic for me, please.
A tonic water, fruit juice, or a ginger ale, perhaps?
Tomato juice, please.
Dialogue 2.
A pint of bitter, please, bartender.
I'm sorry, sir, but we only have 2 types of beer. The medium strength beer and the export beer.
Which is better?
Well, the export beer is stronger, but both are the light larger type. They are. Bottled, I'm afraid we do not have draft beer.
I'll have a bottle of the stronger on, please.
Certainly, sir. Here you are. Paying the bill.
Dialogue 1.
Are you all through, sir?
Yes.
Did you enjoy your dinner?
Yes, everything was very good. Can I have my bill, please?
Yes, 1 moment, please. Here you are, sir.
Here is $70. Keep the change, please.
Thank you. Please come again.
We will. Bye.
Dialogue 2.
Did you enjoy your dinner, Mama?
Oh, very much. Just excellent. I'd like to pay my bill.
Yes, Mama, your bill comes to .28 francs.
Do you mind if I pay it with a credit card?
I'm sorry, Mama, we do not honor credit cards here.
Oh, I see. Then I'll pay in cash. And what's the exchange rate today?
It's 9.5 francs to $1.
Here is $30. Keep the change.
Thank you. Your receipt is here. Please come again.
Thank you.